Hey everyone, Jan here today from Team Needle, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very exciting workflow, which is actually allowing you to scrape members of a LinkedIn group. So to do that, we want to go over here to our Needle workflow, and we want to use the template which is called Scrape LinkedIn Group Members. And the first thing that we need to do here, if we follow the sticky note, is actually go to the group that we are interested in. So I'm interested in this group, AI Automation Hub, and I would like to scrape the people that are actually part of this group. So I have to go to inspect, I go to my network tab, and then I'm going to clear this, and I would like to see all the members here, 669 members. I say please show all, and now you see that it shows like the members. So to find the whole members, this is actually paginated. As you see, it's going to do a load. So I'm going to paginate it a bit. I toggle the pagination. I copy over this fetch. I put this here to our manual trigger, so I can paste it over here. And I need to additionally configure the Google Sheet, which I want to write my data to, because we are going to paginate over it. So we are writing every time again the members that are part of this group. So to do that, I need to decide like on a specific Google Sheet. It should look like this: name, LinkedIn URL, headline, and location. I take the URL, I paste it over here. I hit on save, and now I'm already ready. I have configured my Google Sheet, as well as I have pasted over my fetch here into the manual trigger. And now it's going to take care of this. And as we, for example, look here into the code node, we see these people are part of this. These are the first 10 people. And we are going to do it in steps of 10 to actually scrape all the 669 people. So we see here already people are added here to this Google Sheet. Wilson, Tang, Nan, Nasser, and me, myself, Jan, also here edit. And now over time, you see more and more kind of like, people are floating into our Google Sheet. So we are basically exporting the people that are part of this LinkedIn group here, all these people into a Google Sheet, also with their URL, their description, and when they have joined. And that is actually all for already today. So if you want to use this scraper to find people that are part of a LinkedIn group, that may be your ICP, for example, for me, very interesting to talk to these people because AI Automation Hub makes Zapier and Init, and these people likely also be interested in chatting with me about vibe automation in regards of Needle. So for me, this is very relevant. And as it is relevant for me, likely also relevant for you. Likely your target or your target audience also lives within some LinkedIn group. And afterwards, you could do an outreach to them or you write them a message. This data can be very valuable for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment. Let us know what you would like to automate. And I'm excited to see you in the next workflow automation episode. And until then, take care. See you here. Yeah. Ciao.